Good evening, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brian, and today we're going to talk about loops and my understanding of what loops is. So this is my while loop. This is my for loop. This is my nested loop. So for loop, in order to do a for loop, you basically do what we did before. Define pixel and get this equal get pixels, whatever the pixel of the array is, to get that in there. And we use a for loop. In the for, we define that integer index, which is 0, start at 0, and then index is less than equal array dot length. So the length of the pixel is less than the index. And index plus plus, that means it's loop over and over and over and over again until it reaches the end of the loop, and it's gonna go over again. And then integer, we always try to make sure that it's all int right here and here as well. So this is what it looks like for my for loop. Let me change this here for a bit. For loop, compile. Hopefully it doesn't crash like last time. And here's my document. I did it on desktop. Doing Pikachu this time. Oh look, Pikachu did this. Woohoo! Because we're looping it. Alright. While loop. This pixels is the same thing as a for loop. However, the integer pixels or values are declared before we do a loop. So if you have like pixels equal null, then you will put it before these loops. Or values, integer values equal 0, you would basically put it here. And then you would do your loop. And this loop is this while index less than pixel array dot length, where with for loop you have to indicate index plus plus, which the outro of the pixels is within the loop. We can do it at the end of the loop. Professor Frankie says you can do it middle of the loop. One of these days, if I get comfortable, I'm gonna put it in the middle of nowhere and see what it does anything. Let's check it out later on. Yeah, that's loop. That's what it is for my while loop. While when I compile, nothing really showed to be a problem. However, for some reason, when I put it here, watch, it takes a forever, man, to get it running. Watch. See, it doesn't even want to show up no more. You see that? You see my problem here? Well, I explained this much, so everybody should understand. I basically copied my for loop into my while loop. All I changed was the green integers. Something happened along the way. Did not know what's going on. This is where we stand from here for while loop. Next is my nested loop. So this is a nested loop. For this loop, what I was trying to do is mirror points. So my mirror point is at width by half. So whatever the picture is gonna split into half. Let me do that so you guys understand what that means. Hopefully this runs on the Pikachu picture because I haven't tested. Just kidding. You're supposed to test everything before you do it. Look! Somehow it looked a little more weird. Sorry about the eyes. Okay, so that's what split in half means. So it take the width of the x, right, whatever this is, the integer here, and split it right in the middle. Okay? and then the left pixels and right pixel are nulls. One integer and x integers are mere points. For x integer of y is equal to 0, integer of x is equal to 0. You could do double, but there's a bunch more things you're gonna have to do, which I'm not that good at, so later on maybe Ra's can help us out, but not me. And then you, after you declare your x and y value, basically like a for loop, say y, you loop it until the end of your file, and then it stops at halfway here. Same thing with x. Just loop it through the whole entire pixels until it stops here. And then at the end, this is what you're left with. And this is how basically I get left pixel equal get pixels, right pixel equal get pixel, right pixel and left pixel equal colors. That's how I do it. And this is the results. Thank you very much. You guys have a nice day.